Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. A cup of coffee not only boosts your energy levels but also helps improve your tired complexion. This antioxidant has exfoliating properties along with anti-aging benefits. A coffee face mask is the simplest and most effective way to benefit your skin. In this video, I will show you how to get fair skin in one day using coffee powder, which enhance your skin complexion and gives you glowing and brightening look instantly. How can coffee benefit your skin? It reduces skin damage, fights signs of aging, reduce cellulite and tighten skin, reduce acne, protect you from skin cancer. How to get fair skin in one day using coffee powder. Before getting to the face mask, it is important to note that conventionally grown coffee tends to be heavily treated with chemicals. Hence, purchasing coffee from the market would mean putting toxic substances like fungicides, pesticides, and synthetic fertilizers on your skin. I encourage you always to try and purchase organic beans for the best results. Coffee and milk face mask. This coffee mask will exfoliate your skin and keep it looking supple and smooth. Milk have soothing effects on the skin. I recommend applying this face mask at least 3 times a week for the best results. You will need 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. How to use? Mix the ground coffee and milk in a bowl to make a fairly thick paste. Clean your face and apply the paste all over your face and neck. Leave this mask on for at least 20 minutes. Rinse your face clean with lukewarm water. Coffee, yogurt and turmeric face pack. The coffee will help brighten your skin while turmeric can even out your skin tone. Turmeric is also known to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging. Yogurt adds skin moisture and increases skin elasticity. This coffee mask also works well on acne-prone skin. You will need 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. How to use? Combine the turmeric, coffee and yogurt in a bowl to make a thick homogeneous paste. Apply this paste evenly across your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Gently massage your skin in circular motions. Wash the paste with warm water. Coffee, honey and yogurt face mask. Honey has antibacterial and moisturizing properties that can benefit the skin. The antioxidant compounds in coffee and yogurt may help tighten the skin and potentially reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You will need 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Coffee and cocoa face mask. This coffee and cocoa face mask helps remove excess oil from the face. It also may leave your skin looking tighter, shiny and smooth. The polyphenols in cocoa may protect the skin from UV damage. You will need 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to use? Mix the coffee and cocoa powder in a bowl. Add the yogurt and honey to the mix. Massage the mask into your skin carefully, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterwards. This is the tips how to get fair skin in one day using coffee powder. If you use this face pack properly, following all the steps, you can get that fair and glowing complexion in a day. This is a budget-friendly hack to keep your skin looking young and healthy. If you do not have fresh ground coffee readily available, you can substitute it with instant coffee. But remember to do a patch taste. If you experience any allergies to any of the recipes, stop use and consult your doctor. If you want to get glowing skin in just 15 minutes, then check out this video of mine here. Also, I have made a video on top 10 foods for glowing skin, which is highly recommended to eat along with these face packs in order to get glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get for more such videos on beauty tips and home remedies on skincare and health. Keep smiling and keep glowing. See you soon in my next video.